Hello student, myself Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture we had seen contents of office manual, and today we are going to learn types of manuals. So let's start with the new topic, types of manuals. Types of manuals. Every organization makes use of several different manual. For each manual serve a specific purpose. The two or more than two different types of manuals are combined to become a package. The manual are policy manuals, organization manuals, procedure manuals, employee handbook, specialty manuals. In this slide, now we will discuss various types of manuals, and the first types of manual is policy manuals. The written policies have the advantages. Is a define the clear-cut course of the policy of action and principle of procedure. This manual reveals the broad managerial limitations, managerial actions to take place under certain the specific circumstances. Policy manual contain all organizational pronouncements. The policy manual comprise the policies to long-term corporate objectives and general policies day-to-day activities of the enterprises. These policies for guiding the respective units within the company. Policy manual contains the various resolutions, the board of directors, and various policies of the corporation. The promoting the employees, the basis of experience. Age is policy decision and taken by the top management. These policies have the various advantages. The first is providing a general program of action to be taken in various circumstances. The second is providing the framework within which the managers operate and freely, ensuring an equitable treatment of all the employees. This policy manual, despite the mentioned limitations, explain these policies. The organization operates and they are the use to guide the employees as well as the manager's actions. Second point is organization manual. In this manual are mentioned the company's objectives and goals, organization charts, position and placement of different departments, duties and responsibilities of various departmental heads. There provides the information about the company, the necessary historical data and product, manufacture or services to the other organizations. There are the various purpose use of company manual. for providing the employees with information about the company and providing outsiders and other interested parties with reference material of the organization. The organization manual renders commentary about the company, and they shows how different departments, division, office, units related to each others. Third types of manual is employee manual, also called the employee handbook. The employee manual is well known and is frequently in use today. This is information regarding the incentives, promotions, vacations, and educational activities. This manual is distributed to employees at the time of their employment, and they provide the information. This purpose of preparing this manual to remove misunderstanding the part of the employees. Its treatment towards them. Employee will be able to better understand the various policies. Next point is procedure manual. As the title suggests, the procedures manual comprise detailed procedures and the instructions to be followed by the employees at the work. This manual outlines what is to be done, how it is to be done, and who is do it, and why it is to be done. The well-prepared procedure manual act as the guide for the employee and processing of the office work. Next point is specialty manuals. A variety of manuals can be grouped under this heading: Salesperson Guide, Loan Officer's Handbook, and Desk Manual. The correspondence of manual, communications and record, retention manual. In addition, there may be the manual such as the administrative practice. All these manuals contain the informations regarding particular type of activity. They are labeled as specialty manuals. Employees should know something about the enterprise. The historical manuals contains the history of enterprise, address of the enterprise, and founders and objectives. With the enterprise, they required the contributed by the founders. Some offices prefer to have the single manual or the several manual. On the relevant and important information combined in the form of handbook. In such a way, multi-purpose manual is the prepared. The information included in a manual, one office may not be the same of another office. In other words, the contents of a manual are according to the needs, preferences, of the concerned office. So these were the various types of the manuals.